Restoring balance. Understanding the phrase in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, restore balance. This is a phrase that pops up in many contexts, from everyday conversations to professional discussions. Understanding its meaning and usage can really enhance your English skills. Let's dive in. Restore balance is a phrase that means to bring things back to a state of equilibrium or harmony. It implies that there was a balance before that has been disturbed or lost. The term is often used in both literal and metaphorical contexts. For example, in a physical sense, if a scale is tipped to one side, restoring balance would mean adding or removing weight to bring it back to a level position. Metaphorically, it can refer to situations in life or work where fairness or stability needs to be re-established. Personal life. In personal contexts, restore balance might refer to finding a healthy work-life balance or resolving conflicts in relationships to bring back peace and harmony. Professional environment. In the workplace, this phrase could mean adjusting policies or strategies to ensure fairness and efficiency, or managing workload to prevent employee burnout. Environmental and societal issues. Restore balance can also be used in discussions about the environment, like efforts to balance ecosystems, or in societal terms, to describe efforts to create equal opportunities and justice. After working overtime for a month, I need to restore balance in my life by taking a vacation. The new regulations were introduced to restore balance in the housing market. Meditation helps me restore balance in my mind and emotions. There are several phrases similar to restore balance, such as re-establish equilibrium, bring back harmony, or equalize the situation. These can be used interchangeably depending on the context. Understanding and using the phrase, restore balance, can add depth to your English communication. It's a versatile phrase applicable in various situations. I hope this video helps you grasp its essence and use it confidently in your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.